The year is 1974. The year that President Richard Nixon announces his resignation from the White House. The Terracotta Army in China was first discovered. Sweet Home Alabama by Leonard Skinner was released to the world. West Germany beats the Netherlands to win the FIFA World Cup. And it was the year that my dream car was built, the 1974 El Camino. The elusive car I never thought I'd own. This is my 1974 El Camino Classic, otherwise known as Maria. A birthday gift from my wife with help from family, and it sure was a surprise. This project vehicle came at the perfect time when we could all use a little distraction. It's already brought us together as my dad and I tinker away, and there's no car more awesome to teach my son how to drive. I was curious to see what kind of shape the existing paint was in, and how far gone it was, so I decided to polish the hood up and get a feel for where it was at. As you can see from the before and after pictures here, there is still some life in that old paint, and the hood buffed out extremely well for what it can. I was very pleased with the results. On to more serious matters with the car. Unfortunately, the flooring in the cab was completely rusted out. I wasn't sure about leaving it like this for the winter because A, I don't want snow drifting in the cab for half a year, and B, I'm almost certain that mice would make their home for the winter there, and do a number on the seats, which are actually in pretty good condition. Slim was able to find, fabricate, and weld metal plates to fit the bottom of the car. Cutting away all that rust and sealing the bottom of the car really started to make this project come together, and make Maria feel like a real machine. With a little cleanup, it was time for me to huff some fumes and start painting the floor with some rust-resistant paint. And just like that, we have a floor. And now I'm having fun looking at carpets online. I'm looking forward to that installation. In the meantime, the flame floor mats are back in, and we see how much quieter the cab is now that the holes are gone. It's tons quieter even with the window down. It was also a good time to check out some of the wiring and lights. What about that one?
Nice. It's much quieter inside there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. With a few more adjustments, we couldn't help but take her out for just one more round. The engine certainly needed some attention, with a wash and a degreasing, and I got an air filter ordered right away. It definitely has a long way to go to clean up all the hoses and wires, but we took an afternoon and got a good start at it anyways. With a little effort and persistence, it's amazing what a first coat of high heat paint and chrome polish can do for an engine. And with that, the sun rises another day on this El Camino. I am looking forward to sharing more of this journey as we restore and bring this car back to life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.